Get ready to be part of Europe's most influential pharma supply chain and logistics innovation program. April 14th to 15, 2027. Basel, Switzerland. In a rapidly evolving pharmaceutical landscape, discover the innovations transforming supply chains, cold chain management, manufacturing, and end-to-end logistics. Experience breakthrough technologies, hands-on exhibitions, and insights from global industry experts.
It's been a good experience. We've had very good talks, had very good meetings. The talks were super interesting and we really enjoyed being here and are sure to come back next year.
We had very nice connections afterwards with people from the industries.
I'm very satisfied with my participation in this event, this amazing event, because I have exchanged ideas and concerns with colleagues from supply chain and many other sectors.
Connect with leading pharmaceutical companies, logistics providers, technology innovators, and regulatory professionals.
These last 2 days in this conference are been really rich. We experienced a lot and exchanged a lot with our colleagues, with our peers, which exchanged a lot of same experience. It's very rich because we're learning how our colleagues are finding new solutions that we can leverage in our companies as well.
Build valuable partnerships, exchange ideas, and help shape the future of pharmaceutical supply chains across Europe. Join us in Basel, Switzerland, for Pharma Supply Chain and Logistics Innovation Program Europe 2027. Reserve your place today.